How to make enough money to quit your job in 2023. Ooh, I feel your pain because I was in your same position trying to figure out how can I get out of my job and how can I get out of my job quick. I'm going to show you how to make enough money to get out your job. Not sure your income goals, but hopefully I can give you the right vehicle to do this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and comment below anything you took away from this video. Your comments help grow the videos. So the only way that I know how to make money online and to do it in a fairly quicker time is affiliate marketing, online digital product space. A lot of people are nervous about it because it's new, but this is the only way I know where you can get some money now, like start this week and start getting getting eyes to your business. This is the only way I know, so I can only speak from this side. So you want to get you a digital product, tangible product, something that people are in need of. What are people in need of? They all want to know how to make money online, or we have some, health and wellness things as well, because everyone wants to be healthy and practice preventative, so you want to kind of figure out where is your niche. Even if when it comes to YouTube, you can make YouTube videos, just know that's going to take longer. A lot of these things people talk about are going to take longer. Affiliate marketing is just getting the sale and you're going to get paid either daily or weekly, which is going to give you the capital and the income and the cash flow that's going to be able to replace whatever else you have going on. So right now what we're looking at is a company called Home Business Academy. They have everything in one. So pretty much they're going to show you how to brand yourself. That's where the funnel builder is going to come into place. How to brand yourself, build your own websites, get a domain name, and be in business for you. They have the premium traffic product, which is going to get more into where to share my business, how to get leads, how to get customers, etc. They have another product called the Financial Literacy Academy. This is going to be more the investing, how to save money, how to create that compound income, etc. like that. It's an all-in-one platform. You even have the affiliate zone, which is going to show you more so the mindset, how to really mentally be in business for yourself. So this is one of the platforms you can use to get that income goal here. So from here, once you have that vehicle, that digital product or that tangible product, it's all about branding yourself. We do this on social media. You watch reels all day, every day. I don't understand why people think making money online is so hard when they're watching what's going on. If you literally just slow down and wake up, all people are doing is making content for their business, solving problems, touching on pain points of people. People are overworked and underpaid. That's one of the biggest pain points I feel like right now. People are struggling. People aren't making enough money, but they're working hard. When you get exhausted enough, you're going to figure out what can I do more to get out of my situation. So me telling you that already gives you the upper hand, because there's so many people just like you trying to quit their jobs as well. How are they going to do it? Learning these skills. So you're going to give them a product or service that's going to help them get there. If we get to our health and wellness business, what's going to happen? We're going to target people who want to get healthy. So now you can get just customers, but also people who want to make money offering these products to other people. So you can target two people. You can either just show people the products and show that the products compete with retail, meaning you can get, we have some of the nicest prices in the industry. A lot of people want an organic coffee. Usually it'll cost you $40, $35. So that alone is going to make people jump. You don't really have to, especially this one, you don't really have to sell these things. People are going to take these regardless. They go to the store every month and get these things. But guess what? Now you can, get them for even less. That's always the issue. The products are overpriced. So people are like, I don't know if I can offer these products to people. I don't know if I can do this. No one's going to buy it. You can't beat these prices. People love free and people love cheap. You can't beat cheaper. You can't beat it. So now, and look at the countries we're in. We're all over the world. People are taking this serious. It's your shot, at greatness. I tell people all the time, we don't know how long these opportunities are going to be here. Why not get a piece of the pie? You're going to drink super greens anyways. Why not earn income for drinking super greens? Or why not be the middleman for those who want super greens and get them the product for inexpensive? This is how you're going to make enough money to quit your job. You're going to get paid weekly and monthly here. You're going to build a team. You're going to learn how to, get people just like you. You're going to teach them what I'm teaching you. And every week you're going to compound your money. You're going to get new members. You're going to get them to believe in a vision. Everyone's going to see these products are inexpensive. Everyone's going to say, I am overworked and underpaid. And then eventually the residual income's going to add on. See, when you work every week at your job, once you clear that check, that money's gone. In this industry, every week you put in work, it adds on to the next month, long as those members stay active. So this is how you're going to be able to quit your job, and this is how you're going to be financially free. This is not for everyone. Everyone doesn't want this type of structure. Everyone doesn't want this type of freedom. Some people need, a schedule. Some people need the norm. But for the ones that want to, don't mind getting a little uncomfortable, affiliate marketing is the way to go. But I want to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and share this with as many people as you want. Share this, because another thing to mention was awesome about LiveGood is all the work I do. So if I'm getting so much people coming to my business and joining, it's going to benefit you. If you take action now and get in, it's going to benefit you. So you could potentially make money from my work. So you don't have to come in and recruit 200 people. Maybe I'll recruit 200 people next month, and it's going to help you. And that is the power of LiveGood. I hope you listen to this video, and I hope you are able to quit your job and make enough money. Have a good day.